this Miracle Lounge in Gate G as well. But this is much more bigger one. This is 2nd floor actually. Wow. So Gate G has 2 Miracle Lounge. One is a smaller one and one is a bigger one. Oh, thank you. This one is quite large, Miracle Lounge. So what they have alcohol, Red Label, Jimby, Kahlua, Campari. Not bad. Nice. Some peanuts, crackers. Orange juice, coffee machine, pork rice porridge, that's vegetable fried rice. So it's around 6 o'clock in the morning. So all the items is breakfast related. That's pretty much Miracle Lounge at Gate G. There's a 2, one is smaller one and it's bigger one. This one has a shower and it's open for 24 hours, but you can stay only up to 2 hours per visit.